Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have the Bose SoundSport, a direct competition to the Jabra, the Samsung Buds and the Apple AirPods. Now to get some things out of the way, these earphones do not have active noise cancellation. But what they do have are some amazing ear tips which create a very good seal in the ear. Now on the box you have some branding. It also says that it supports Android and iOS. Removing the top cover, the unboxing experience feels very premium, with the case having a magnetic opening lid. Up front we have the earphones. We'll keep them aside for a minute. Bose also provides a case, some extra ear tips with large and small sizes, a micro USB cable, some silica gel and some documentation. The earphones are pretty bulky, but they are light on the weight, which is very comfortable. It has a volume control which also doubles as a play and pause or next track, previous track. It has a clip with the Bose logo on it. To sum it up, it's a pretty premium package. The earphones come with medium ear tips. The large and small ear tips are in the box. Of course, the micro USB cable. Here I would say that I would have loved to have a USB-C. About the battery, it takes about 2 hours to charge and lasts about 6 hours, which is not pretty good but bearable, I would say. The battery life for me has been pretty good. It lasts me for about 5 to 6 hours. The quick charge facility really helps though. So with a 15-minute charge you get 1 hour of playtime, which is pretty decent. You can even connect the phone to 2 devices, which is again a plus point. Now let's jump into the app and also pair the earphones to my phone. I'll be using an iOS device for this. So right up you get the function, you can just swipe down and pair the earphones. Obviously the phone's Bluetooth will also have to be switched on for this. The earphones have now been connected. You can toggle your music from there. You can even share music between Bose earphones or Bose products. You can see the connected devices which are there. Right now I have only one device connected. Under more options, you have music services which you can attach to the Bose app. You have a Find My Buds feature. Now there is one interesting point here. For the Find My Buds feature, Bose has tied up with a company called Tide, which uses the NFC chip and Bluetooth to keep a track of the device or the earphones. The app is made really well. You can even create and log in into your Bose account. There are some more functions like product help. You can even visit bose.com and give a feedback. Now let's jump into the settings app. Here there are a number of functions like the name of the product, connections, music share, etc. Let's go into the nicknames now. You can choose a number of nicknames for the earphones. Let's choose this one, Sonic Tooth. There are even over-the-air updates which keep the product up to date. You can even toggle voice prompts. You can increase or decrease the standby timer, and there is also a user manual. Overall, the earphones are pretty amazing. The sound quality is very clear and crisp. When comparing it to the Jabra or the Samsung, or for that matter even Apple AirPods, it has got a nice amount of bass to the sound. I would say that the earphones are pretty versatile. They're really good for working out. They even stay in the ear thanks to those Stay Ear Plus tips. Extended usage will also not be an issue. Finally, if you're looking for earphones which have really good sound and are amazing for workouts, then these are the earphones for you. If you don't mind a little bit of charging, then these earphones are really good for you. Priced at 12,000 rupees, there is nothing better in the market currently. I definitely recommend getting one of these. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.